editing some of my videos and trying to clear out my queue. So what I've said in my previous video, we're gonna try to clear out everything. So here's today's video. Check it out. Morning guys. Good morning guys. So I'm back to using the Osmo Pocket for my camera. And yes, I'm heading to the city right now. I'm gonna pick up some tables. They're cheap. So let's see how this goes. And yeah, I'm going back to this old school vlogging setup. Not really old school, but yeah, this easy, automatic, not so cinematic vlogging setup with this Osmo Action. And I hope it's good. I need to put the microphone on, but yeah, this is good for now. Let's see how this goes. Okay, gotta go on driving now. Anyway, it's gonna be a horrible day today. It's like 34 degrees. It's a bit warm, and yeah, it's so windy. It's so windy, and there's a storm coming, so it's gonna be so bad, so bad. After Boxing Day, everything's just so. Oh, why is this? Oh fuck! After Boxing Day, everything's just so quiet in the CBD right now. I can see the trams are empty. Yep, so that's how it is. Got a bit of windy. Look at that! Like, oh man, car's shaking. Yeah, windy. So I just got the stuff that I was dealing on Facebook Markets, and I got the chair, just one chair though, and I've got a table, and I've got a computer table there. It's massive. It's pretty good. Looked at it, and yeah, it's really good. So I'll be heading home in a few. I'm just trying to deal one more thing, one more stuff, and I'm waiting for a reply. And other than that, I'll be heading home. It's so lonely in the city right now. Like yesterday was the Boxing Day, and yeah, it's a lot of sales and everything. But now it's like rainy, silent. I can't see any people around. I might be in the wrong place, but yeah, it's around 11:30 a.m. and not a lot of people. Yeah, it is. Okay, done with my marketing today. So I just got a table, got a chair up here, and I got the big table up there, and I got a personal ref, and I got them for a cheap price. But I'm not gonna reveal the amount, because the thing is, I might sell them, and you might buy it from me. So yeah, but it's really freaking cheap. I think people got this for the pandemic and for the lockdown, and they're leaving. The guy I'm talking to, he's heading to Brisbane. The other one's heading back to Malaysia. So yeah, just got the stuff there. Gonna head home, go to Box Hill, get some soup, and we're good. Yes. January 2, I'm here at Thomas Sound to get the lens from Will. At the same time, I'm gonna do their drone shots for today. So I'm gonna do the drone shots for he's shooting a wedding now. I'm not shooting a wedding, I'm just on my regular shirt. But yeah, so I'll be shooting the drone shots, and let's see how this goes. I'm still waiting for the room to arrive. Once they arrive, I'm gonna I'm gonna film them while they're online. They're in a line heading, whatever. Yeah, so then I'm gonna go to the church, and yeah, that's gonna be my itinerary for the day. And then I'm gonna do some filming on my own also. So yeah, that's it.